Hey traders, welcome to the cryptocurrency performance recap on the Binance exchange. This is the YouTube channel that teaches you exactly how to trade the most volatile cryptocurrency markets with confidence. And next up, the first cryptocurrency pair on the list of the biggest percentage gainers of today is the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair. With that, let's jump right into how to trade the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair with the trend scraper technique. The first step of the trend scraper technique is to identify the most current bullish trend section of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price charts. And here's how to get it right from the start. First, you have to trace the movement of the price action from the highest price of the bullish trend to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter with the price range tool. Now, place the price range tool on the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $25.55, and drag it down to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. So in total, you can see the most current bullish trend section of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair is approximately 96%, which is well over the standard target of a 60% bullish trend section. Okay, now that we've identified the most current bullish trend section of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price chart, it's time to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a candlestick price chart data of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair. For example, let's mark out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair step by step. So step 1, for you to get your entry price, you have to use the price range tool to measure 15% starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, and then use the blue horizontal line tool to indicate your entry price, which is $15.09. Step 2, for you to get your stop loss price, you have to measure 9% and then use the red horizontal line tool to indicate your stop loss price, which is $14.30. Step 3, for you to get your take profit price at a 2-to-1 profit loss ratio, you have to measure 30% and then use the white horizontal line tool to indicate your take profit price, which is $17.06. Step 4, for you to get your safety price, you have to measure 22% and then use the purple horizontal line tool to indicate your safety price, which is $16.01. Finally, it's time to monitor the volatility of price action on the most current bullish trend section of the MultiUSDT cryptocurrency pair before you click that buy button. For example, look at how the price action bounced by 96% before it was interrupted by this downtrending red candlesticks. So let's say you enter the trade with $1,000 worth of trading capital and patiently waited to sell the cryptocurrency till the current price action of the cryptocurrency reaches the 30% take profit price, which is $17.06. As you can see on the candlestick price chart, you will make 15% profit, which is approximately $150 as an absolute profit from this particular trade alone. But what if the price action only touched the entry price before it decided to dump back down to the stop loss price? That means you will lose exactly 5.5% of your trading capital, which is approximately $55. So as you can see, your profit will be 2 times your expected loss. Note, there's a lot more opportunity to make more money from every trade you take if you can be a little more patient with the market price action. For example, you can always double your trading account if you can wait to sell your cryptocurrency portfolio when the current price action approaches the highest price of the bullish trend. But that's not always possible to get, so take whatever profit the market is willing to offer at any given time. Look, traders, you cannot control the price of any cryptocurrency on the exchanges, but you can control your losing trades to minimize losses and allow your winning trades to maximize profits. And that's an awesome power in your hands as a retail cryptocurrency trader. So you have to use that power to control your losses to the barest minimum if you want to be a consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader or investor for the long term. Leave a comment below if you found value from watching this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.